What's up guys, Chris here with another SketchUp tutorial to help you through your day. Today we're going to be working on the move tool. Now the move tool is not only a move tool, it's got a few little tricks added to it to help you multiply and divide items across the length. So let's dive right into it. I've created a quick scene here, which is a flat surface, could call that a deck and one baluster. So we all know M is for move. If we wanted to move this item, we click on it, type M, click on a base point, and move it anywhere we wish. But we want to take it and divide it across this length. So what we're going to do is click on the item again, type M, type Control to give you a little plus sign in your icon, as you see. Click on your base point. Now you can see you've got a duplicate copy of that. If you knew where to snap that, like a midpoint and so on, you could continue this process of M, click, M, Control, click, and it'll keep giving you a duplicate. But we want to divide it across this length. So what we're going to do is click on the end, and in the bottom left-hand corner says distance. Now we're going to type in our number keypad, we're going to type divide or the backslash. Say we want to divide this by 5. 5, you can see we were telling it to divide by 5. Hit enter, boom. Just like that, we've successfully divided that into 5 equal divisions. Now we know 5 divisions is 6 balusters, 4 divisions is 5 balusters, and so on. So just bear that in mind when dividing things. The next item would be to multiply this across a certain increment. So say you knew what increments you wanted between these balusters, you could do that. So you click on the item again, you type M, click on your base point, just click on this base point, or Control for the plus, click again, and then say you wanted to distance these at 300 mils. In your number keypad, type 300, enter. Now don't type anything else. This will get a lot more fluid and a lot more easier when you do it regularly. But before you type anything else, just know that you can now tell it to multiply. So in your keypad again, you're going to say times or the star. Let's say we want to times by 10. So what it's going to do, you see it's telling us times by 10. It's going to times by 10 by that increment that we've just drawn. Hit enter. And boom, just like that again. We've successfully divided or multiplied, excuse me, these items with a 200 equal gap between. And that, guys, is the move tool that showcases multiplication of items and dividing across a length. Hope you enjoyed. Check you in the next one.